how to fix blog posts not showing up on Shopify store. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fix the problem of the blog posts not showing up into your Shopify blogs. So we are going to head over the left side of the screen within our Shopify admin dashboard. Then we're going to head over content. From here, click on blog posts. Now, for the reason which is going to be hiding up the blog posts is going to be having some blog posts not visible. That means that they are going to be hidden. So that is going to be due to a creation of a new blog post that you haven't noticed that the visibility is going to be made for hidden, or sometimes some of the updates on Shopify will make, let's say, not, let's say, with a specific action, the visibility of the blog post hidden. So we are going to make it visible as the date of it. Also, it could be set up as the visibility date, for example, to this date, and you're going to make it only visible as a certain date. So you're going to make it as, I don't know here, something specific for a date, and it is going to be like that. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.